Hello guys and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I will show you how to use Crawlomatic to scrape forum posts and import them into your WordPress site in bbPress. So I will go into Warrior Forum, for example, as this is an easily scrapable forum, and I will import the post from there to bbPress. And let's get us started, and I will use Crawlomatic, link in the video's description, but as a side note you can use also Echo RSS for this if you want to import from RSS feeds, but let's go with Crawlomatic for this video and I will show you how to do this. So first of all, let's open up a forum here on Warrior Forum. And here we have the forum listings, the topic listings, and let's copy the URL of this forum and simply paste it in the Crawlomatic plugins scraper start seed URL box. Be sure to have bbPress installed and click settings. If you have bbPress installed, in the generated post type you will see also forum, topic and reply. So select topic for this because we will need to scrape these topics and to create topics for them, topic post types. And before everything, go to forums and be sure to create your forum. So for this, let's give the name CEO forum and we will assign the topics to this newly created bbPress forum. So for this you will need to get the ID of your forum, the numeric ID from here, and copy it and go to the settings again and search for post parent ID. This is important, so you will paste the exact numeric ID of the forum that you want to assign the topics to, and yeah. This is important, so select topic in the post type and post parent ID, set the ID of the forum to which you want to assign topics. Now go down and until you see do not scrape seed URL, check this checkbox because you don't want to scrape content also from this page, but or you want to get the links only from this page. And seed page crawling query type, click visual selector and simply click on a title that you want to scrape. Now scroll down and in the content query type, similarly click visual selector. Okay, and select the content that you want to scrape. Now all is okay. Go to main settings of the plugin, one final step, and be sure to have the make sure no duplicate post titles are published checkbox is checked. So make sure this is checked and save the settings. Afterwards we can go and run this rule now. So now the plugin will go in, will scrape the forum and it will create a new post for us. So if we go to the forum, for example, the green check mark appeared. We have one topic in it now, and if we open it on the front page, rules and support. So this is the rules and support part from the Warrior Forum. If you want to get more posts, increase the maximum number of posts to get more posts scraped or topics scraped, or alternatively you can increase also the total maximum crawl results to get. So this will instruct the plugin that, hey, scrape this amount of so total maximum crawls results to scrape. So we can set this to 5, and this will instruct the plugin to that, hey, scrape 5 results and publish only one of these 5 scrape results if they are already published. So we can run this rule now afterwards after we set this to 5, and the plugin will now be able to publish more topics to our forum. So if we go back here, we will see that mini guide to on-site CEO, exactly like the second forum post from here. And if we go and increase this to 2, for example, and run scraping. Until this is scraping, we can check the mini guide. So here it is, introduction, read the complete. And if we go back and refresh our forum, now we have 4 posts. Okay. Now let's say that you want to scrape also replies for topics. So how you do this? Let me show you also this in action. In this case, let's set, for example, this rules and support. And we have here the replies. So in this case, we will need to remove this part of the URL as it is not needed. Copy and create a new rule for scraping. So now we will scrape this forum post and assign it not as topics, but in this case the plugin will create replies. And for the replies, we will assign the rules and support topic as parent. So now we go to topics and search for the rules and support topic and copy the ID of the rules and support topic, because we will scrape the responses for the rules and support main topics. So we set this to reply, and the post parent ID set to the ID of the topic of the rules and support topic. Now all we need to do is simply set visual selector and set this to any of these replies. So for example, good job. And we are now scraping, and we will set replies to this. So let me rerun this. We will now set replies for this forum topic. So if we go to topics, replies 1 on rules and support. And here it is. We have replies. Okay, so this is how you scrape bbPress posts, topics and replies using the Crawlomatic plugin. If you have more questions, ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. Any idea is welcome. I reply to all comments, and yeah, I will be creating more similar videos in the future. Hit the like, share, subscribe button if you like this content. And yeah, thank you for watching until the end. This is all for today. I'm going back to work to programming more plugins. Yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.